In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the selective color adjustment layer. I already have a photo opened up in Photopea with a lot of different colors in it so you guys can see how the selective color option will work. Once you're ready to start editing, you're going to click on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel, and this menu will pop up, and if you scroll to the bottom, that's where you'll see selective color. So go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to get this properties window that opens up. Okay. Within this properties window, you'll be able to select from this colors drop-down menu the different colors that you may see visible in your photo. So depending on what you photograph, you may not have every single color in there, but these photos, the photo that I have here gives you some more options so you guys can see how the tool actually works. Okay, so we've definitely got some red in here, so I'll start with red. There are also 4 main color options that will always stay the same, okay, no matter which color you select. And those are going to be cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Now, when you increase the slider for these options here, you're going to be blending it in with the main color that you have selected. So if I move the cyan slider, I'm going to start adding that cyan blue into the reds within the photo. Okay, I'll set that back to 0. And then I can increase the magentas, and you guys can really see those colors changing now. Okay. And then yellows, it's making them more orange. And then black will really make those reds more intense and more saturated. Okay. Now, if you move the slider to the left, what you're going to start doing is introducing the complementary color to these 4 colors here. Okay, so if I move it left for cyan, I'm going to start to add more red to these. If I move the magenta to the left, I start to add more green. And then when I move the yellow, it starts to add more blue. Okay. For the black, it'll add more white and brighten those up. Okay. Now, with black, you can use this to adjust the brightness and darkness of your colors, which will then give you some more tones within your photo, okay, between the different colors. So let's switch. Let's do some green. So we can lighten those up, darken the greens, or any of those neutral colors, which you can see here, that works into your highlights and shadows. Okay. Now, you also have an option down here that says absolute. Absolute is going to give you that pure color change. You guys can see it almost makes like an outline with the black. Absolute is going to add that absolute blue or absolute yellow, absolute green, absolute magenta. So those are going to be those pure color changes when you have absolute selected. It may not be the one that you want to use most of the time, but when absolute is not selected, what you're going to be working in is relative. And relative is going to be more subtle than absolute when you make your changes. And you can see that here. Okay. So overall, with the selective color option, you are selecting a color in your image. Okay. And then you're going to be blending that color using the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black sliders, as well as the complementary colors that you'll be able to pull in when you move the sliders to the left. So make your adjustments and see how it looks. If you're ever unhappy with what changes that you've made, you can always hit reset and start over with your picture. And that's how to use the selective color.